Hi, are you planning to boost your productivity by many folds? Yes, welcome to Amazon Q, one of the most powerful generative AI assistant out there. This is a multi-part series where we will deep dive into how Amazon Q works. Let's get started.
In this module, we will learn Introduction to Amazon Q Developer, which is the most capable generative AI-powered assistant for building, operating, and transforming software with advanced capabilities for managing data and AI/ML. Let's get started. In this module, you will learn the following topics. We will start with an introduction to Amazon Q Developer. What problems does Amazon Q Developer solve? You will learn how Amazon Q adds features to your application and makes recommendations to improve the security posture of your code. Recognize the benefits of Amazon Q Developer. Explain the cost structure of Amazon Q Developer. Familiarize yourself with the technical concepts of Amazon Q Developer. Specify what it would take to implement Amazon Q Developer in a real-world scenario. Describe how Amazon Q Developer works. List typical use cases for Amazon Q Developer. Discuss how Amazon Q Developer is integrated with various tools and platforms. Amazon Q Developer is a generative AI-powered assistant. Amazon Q Developer is an expert on patterns in the AWS well-architected framework, best practices documentation, and solution implementations. This makes it faster and more efficient for you to explore new services and capabilities, learn unfamiliar technologies, and architect solutions. It helps you understand, build, extend, and operate Amazon Web Services applications throughout the software development lifecycle. With a deep understanding of your code and AWS resources, it streamlines research, design, coding, testing, debugging, troubleshooting, and modernization. Amazon Q Developer gives you expert guidance when building, operating, and maintaining applications on AWS. The assistant will provide code suggestions ranging from snippets to full functions based on your requests. It will also generate code from your file's comments and existing code. Command line interface, CLI, completions, and natural language to bash translations are provided in the command line. You can ask questions about AWS or about your code to get quick and accurate answers. You can complete complex development tasks faster with Amazon Q Developer's guidance and ability to generate code. It uses natural language processing to answer questions on AWS architecture, best practices, documentation, and support, providing contextually relevant and actionable answers. It helps you with code explanation, generation, debugging, optimization, feature development, and code transformation. With Amazon Q Developer, you can learn about how to get started, explore how to build secure and scalable applications, and optimize your application performance. Amazon Q Developer reduces the time spent on manual tasks such as coding, testing, upgrading, troubleshooting, and optimizing your code. Amazon Q Developer is available wherever you need it in your IDE, AWS console, terminal, or Slack. Amazon Q Developer is your developer companion. Amazon Q Developer streamlines repetitive tasks and accelerates the development workflow. It provides software development assistance, including code explanation, code generation, and code improvements such as debugging and optimization. Amazon Q Developer helps new developers understand AWS services and how to select the right services for their needs. It provides guidance on how to start their journey in AWS, and recommendations based on the AWS well-architected framework. You can develop code features and projects in your programming language of choice. You explain the feature you want to develop. Amazon Q Developer uses the context of your current project to generate a detailed implementation plan that includes the code for the changes you described. Within IDEs, Amazon Q Developer can update the language version of your code files. Currently, Amazon Q Code Transformation supports updating Java 8 and Java 11 code to Java 17. You can often run into errors or issues when deploying and operating applications. Amazon Q Developer helps troubleshoot and resolve common deployment configuration and runtime issues through natural language conversations. It uses knowledge from AWS documentation. Amazon Q Developer agents take a lot of work out of complex multi-step tasks. The agent for software development helps with implementing features, documenting code, and bootstrapping new projects, all from a single prompt. Amazon Q Developer accelerates the software development lifecycle by boosting employees' productivity, leading to lower cost to build an application. More than 70% of developer time is spent on undifferentiated activities, slowing down creativity and innovation. These activities include writing boilerplate code, developing and running unit tests, and translating code from one language to another. Amazon Q Developer expedites the development of new features. It can boost productivity by generating new software, code suggestions for application development tasks. Amazon Q Developer includes security scans that you can run in the IDE. These scans help you find and correct potential vulnerabilities earlier in the application lifecycle, thereby lowering the cost, time, and risk of application development. Amazon Q goes beyond just coding to help you build and deploy faster across the entire software development lifecycle. Accelerate tasks across the entire SDLC with generative AI powered capabilities and agents. It increases the developer productivity up to 40%. It speeds up a variety of development tasks up to 80%. It has an acceptance rate of 50%. This is the highest reported code acceptance rate among assistants that perform multi-line code suggestions. Amazon Q Developer provides expert guidance for building on AWS. Ask Amazon Q about AWS services, capabilities, and architecture solutions. It is an AWS expert in best practices, documentation, and implementations. It helps to diagnose and troubleshoot errors when something is wrong in your operations because every minute matters. Investigate, troubleshoot, and remediate operational issues quickly. Q Developer can diagnose and troubleshoot errors in the console as well as analyze network connectivity and VPC reachability. It also helps to manage and optimize AWS cloud resources. Q Developer can help you scale your AWS operation environment and save costs. List and take action on your AWS account, resources, configurations, analyze billing information and usage trends through intuitive visualizations and guided actions. Modernize .NET, mainframe, VMware, and Java workloads at enterprise scale to optimize processes and reduce costs. The AI agents help you accelerate workload transformations to streamline processes and reduce costs. Amazon Q Code Transformation automates the end-to-end process of upgrading and transforming code, reducing the time it takes to upgrade applications from weeks to days or even minutes. With the code transformation feature in Q Developer, you can upgrade and transform applications in a fraction of the time it takes today. Starting with Java, with just a few clicks, Q can perform Java language upgrades such as from Java 8 to 17 and 21, enabling you to benefit from the latest security and performance enhancements. And soon, Q will be able to perform .NET Framework to cross-platform .NET upgrades, helping you port applications from Windows to Linux much faster than you can today. Transforming applications from legacy proprietary operating systems to the latest open source OS can augment the security and performance benefits of upgrades with huge cost savings. All a developer has to do is ask Q Developer to perform the code transformation and it handles the rest. From identifying and updating mandatory package dependencies and frameworks to replacing deprecated code and incorporating security best practices. Q Developer will even run tests to validate the upgraded application. So far, more than 1,000 production applications are successfully upgraded. On average, it takes around 10 minutes for an application upgrade. Data and AI professionals can get the most from their data on AWS. They can get guidance to quickly and easily build analytics, AI, ML, and generative AI applications